All right, when I got this battery, no matter what, so disconnected from the inverter. If I turn this on, I never got any LEDs, but I do measure kind of a moving 50 volts at the bus bars, 51.13. And then, if I connect the battery, connect the battery. And then hit the BMS on button. It'll start cycling like this, all blinking. Then it goes down to 3 and then it turns off. And then it cycles that again. And then I wanted to read the error codes and I was getting a low voltage open battery. And at the bus bar now, I'm getting like 38, 16, 13. It just cycles through, not really reading the battery voltage. But if I read from there, which is pre-BMS, let's see if I can do that. Oops. And then read the actual battery voltage. It's a solid 52.74. So yeah, it'll just keep cycling there. To get any sort of lights, it needs to be hooked up to power from the inverter.